Blizzard disrupts air travel. Over 10,000 flights, canceled. A severe winter storm, dubbed Hernando, has brought air travel across the northeastern United States to a near standstill. As of Monday afternoon, over 10,300 flights have been canceled since Sunday, impacting tens of thousands of passengers. The disruptions are expected to continue for at least another day. Widespread cancellations, the storm, which triggered blizzard warnings from Delaware to New England, forced airlines to preemptively cancel flights. FlightAware data shows over 5,600 U.S. flights were canceled Monday alone, following 3,440 cancellations Sunday as the storm strengthened. Airlines are already preparing for further disruptions, with 1,850 flights canceled for Tuesday and 43 for Wednesday. The hardest-hit airports include New York's JFK, LaGuardia LGA, and Newark EWR, as well as Boston Logan BOS. Philadelphia PHL saw over 80% of departures scrapped, while Washington Reagan National DCA canceled more than 40%. Smaller airports throughout the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast also experienced significant groundings, airline waivers and flexibility to mitigate the chaos. Major airlines have activated weather waivers allowing passengers to change or reschedule flights without standard fees. These policies vary by carrier, with details available on each airline's website. Alaska Airlines, Allegiant Air, American Airlines, Delta Airlines, Frontier Airlines, JetBlue Airways, Southwest Airlines, Spirit Airlines, United Airlines. Travelers should check directly with their airline for specific waiver details. Why this matters: these mass cancellations aren't just about inconvenience. They highlight the vulnerability of air travel to extreme weather events. The increasing frequency of such storms raises questions about infrastructure resilience and the need for more robust contingency plans. While waivers help, stranded passengers still face delays, missed connections, and potential financial losses. The disruption underscores the interconnectedness of modern travel systems. A single major storm can ripple through the entire network, causing widespread chaos and economic impact. The situation is expected to improve gradually over Tuesday and Wednesday, but travelers should continue to monitor flight status updates closely.